What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to open a TikTok shop from your TikTok account to further increase your business chances and to be able to sell goods on your TikTok account. So first of all, you need to go to the TikTok app from your phone, Android or iPhone. So here I have the TikTok app installed on my phone and I will open it here. That'll open your main TikTok profile here, and you can start scrolling to view the videos that will play out automatically. However, you do not want to go to the main page here. What you want to do is go to your profile. So click on your profile here at the bottom right corner. The profile on the bottom right corner, like the human photo here, the profile. And from there, you want to go to the three lines here and then choose settings and privacy. You'll need to go to account and then go to switch to business account. However, you need to make sure that your account is public, not private. If you set your account to private, that means only you can see the content that you follow and so on. You'll need to set it to public so anyone can see your content and interact with it. So to do so, in the settings here, you'll need, before going to account, you'll need to go to privacy. And here I've set my account to private here, that with a private account, only users you approve or you choose can follow and watch and interact with your content, so can see your contact. So you need to set it to a public account. So you'll need to deactivate here the private account and switch it to public account. Anyone will be able to follow you and view your public posts. Anyone can do it with your videos, except for videos that you do not allow. Anyone can stitch with your videos and anyone can download your videos. So you want to go ahead and switch. So I'll click on switch here. And now my account is a public account. So to make sure, you need to go to privacy and make sure the private account here is unchecked. Now let's continue with the procedure here to make a business account, make your account a business account to open a shop. So go to account here and then click on switch to business account. Then it says welcome to business account here. With business account, you will get more business features like in Business Suite. Your existing videos and content will not be affected. And you'll need to click next. Learn about your audience. It gives you the option to track your video performance and get engagement insights from analytics. So these are extra business tools that will help you increase your following. So you'll need here to click on next. And having a business account, meaning you can reach more people to grow your brand and attract more people to your brand and your goods that you offer or services that you offer. Hit next. Access conversion tools. It gives you many extra tools to track your customers and connect with them. Hit next. And then you have to choose a category. So having a business, meaning that you need to choose the category of your business. So you have many categories like art and crafts, automotive, baby, beauty, clothing, education, electronics, and so on. So for us, let's choose here the shopping and retail, for example. And you can choose others if you are not sure or your business category is not listed here. So click next. And then you can add your email to better reach your clients and make people connect with you easier. So you can enter your email address here. I'll skip it for now. Okay, add your bio. So here you need to add a bio, which is like an about section. So tell us more about your business. So let's write, for example, hello and welcome to my business account. Okay, and you confirm, or you can skip this step to add your bio later. So since we already wrote it and entered it, let's confirm it. Okay, the profile is completed. Now it gives you the option to create a video right now. So you can click on create now to start creating a video, or click on maybe later to start creating the video later. I'll click on maybe later. Okay, now you are all set. Your profile now is a business account. So let's close it. Here, close the info. And then here the business, my account is a business account, and here you see here in my account here I have a new tab, okay, which is for the retail or business page. So here it gives you this extra tab with business page features. So click on get started here, and then you can create a new business profile here. So highlight business information, add your website link, your contacts, the app download, and so on, and share your photos. So this is a new option for your business. Now, let's go again to the three lines here at the top right. And then here you have a new option, which is the business suite. Click on it. Here you have analytics. You can view your analytics, activity, creative hub, your business content, auto message, and so on. And you can view here your business page settings. So click on join here. And then you can highlight the business page. Now, to create your shop, after we took a look at like the extra business features and tools, you'll need to go back to your profile here, go to the three lines at the top right, and then select creator tools here, which will give you many tools like analytics, creator portal, promote, add yours, and so on. You want to scroll down here to view the option to create a TikTok shop. So here, TikTok shop for creator, click on it. And then here, it'll give you the option to create your TikTok shop. So feature your favorite products with TikTok shop. So you can feature your products here. However, you'll need to have at least over 5,000 followers and be at least 18 years old. So I'm over 18 years old. However, I do not have any followers. So this condition is not met yet. However, if you do have 5,000 followers, and if you do not have, make sure you gain these followers first or in order to create your shop and have your products for your client. So that's the option you need to do. And once you have all the 5,000 followers, you will have the option to apply here, and then you will be able to create your shop. However, for me, since I do not have 5,000 followers, it says here that I don't meet the requirements at this time. So keep posting content and to gain followers, and then apply in the future. So that's how you apply, or that's how you create a TikTok shop for your items in order to grow your business even more. And that was a quick video on how easy it is and straightforward to create your TikTok shop and start selling your items and grow your business even more on TikTok.